Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy A20e. Okay, first we need to make sure that we are connected into Wi-Fi. So open up the settings, go into connections, and if you are not connected, you have to connect to available network. Then go back to the main page of the settings, scroll all the way down, click on About Phone, Software Information, and now we gotta tap on the build number a few times in a row until we see that developer mode has been enabled. Then go back to the main page, scroll down a little, and tap on developer options. And in here we have OEM unlocking feature. We need to enable that. And click on enable. Our bootloader isn't fully unlocked yet. We'll do it in a special menu, but you need to be aware that if you unlock the bootloader, the phone will perform a factory reset and you will lose all of your data, so that's the good moment to create a backup of the data. So we won't lose anything thanks to that. Okay, now we gotta power off our device, so hold the power key, click on power off. We also need to have a USB-C cable that it's connected into our computer, and now we have to hold both volume keys at the same time, and while we are holding them, we need to insert the cable to our phone. So volume up and volume down, insert the cable, keep holding the buttons until you see this menu. Now we gotta hold volume up, okay, and now it's asking us, do we want to unlock the bootloader? We want, so we have to click volume up, and now the phone will perform the factory reset. So you have to have that in mind. Okay, the phone has turned off. Within a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again. We can see that the bootloader is now unlocked. We can also unplug the cable. We'll go quickly through the setup process also, and we will verify everything in developer options. So it might take a while before the phone turns on. I'll see you in the setup process. Okay, the phone has turned on, as you can see. Now let's select the language that we are interested in. Of course, I'll stick to English. Click on OK. Click on Start. Select that you agree. Click on Next. I'm about to skip the Wi-Fi, so thanks to that the setup process will be much faster. I also don't want to copy my data. Now we gotta wait. Click on Next. More, and accept. I'm about to skip the screen lock also. Same thing with Samsung account. Okay, click on Finish. And now we will connect to the Wi-Fi manually, and we will verify the bootloader in the settings. So wait until the home screen loads, slide to the upside, open up the settings, then connections, Wi-Fi, pick available network, and type the password. Hit the connect button, go back, scroll down, About Phone, Software Information, tap on the build number until you see that developer mode has been enabled, go back, scroll down, developer options, and if you don't see the OEM unlocking feature, don't worry. Sometimes all you gotta do is to click, for example, on software update, then click on download and install. You don't need to install any updates. But we are tapping on that because thanks that we are connecting to the server. So now when something appears, you can simply pause the update. And now the OEM unlocking feature should appear in developer options. Yeah, here it is. And I don't know why. Okay, it didn't load. And now it needs to look exactly like that. So OEM unlocking feature is enabled and it says under it bootloader already unlocked. That is how it needs to look like. So now our bootloader is fully unlocked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.